Are you passionate about discovering hidden patterns in the world around you? Do you dream of transforming complex data into meaningful insights? Then our Masters in Data Science program is the perfect opportunity for you to unlock your full potential. Our program welcomes students from all backgrounds, whether you are a math whiz, a coding expert, or a business savvy professional. There's a place for you in our diverse collaborative community. Data science is revolutionizing every industry, from finance and healthcare to marketing and environmental studies. Our comprehensive curriculum equips you with cutting-edge skills and knowledge that make you a sought-after expert in your field. Master the tools and techniques that drive innovation, such as Python, R, machine learning, and data visualization. With our hands-on approach, you will be solving real-world problems from day one, ensuring that you are job-ready upon graduation. Learn from accomplished professors and industry experts who will guide you and mentor you throughout your journey. Our strong alumni network ensures that you have the connections to turn your data science dreams into reality. Our capstone projects offer the ultimate opportunity to apply your skills and collaborate with your peers, showcasing your expertise to potential employers and kickstarting your career in data science. So don't wait, unlock your potential and make a lasting impact on the world. Enroll now in our Masters in Data Science program and become the driving force behind tomorrow's innovations.